Staying connected when you're on the road is now easier than ever. The new DriveReach OTR is our most powerful, multi-user cell signal booster available for wherever work takes you. With the DriveReach OTR, you can experience fewer dropped calls, better voice quality, faster network speeds, improved audio and data streaming, and greater hotspot capability throughout North America. The DriveReach OTR uses an outside antenna to pick up cell signal. The signal is passed along to the booster where it is amplified. The boosted signal then goes to the in-vehicle antenna where it's broadcast to your device for a stronger, more stable cell signal connection. Using the latest technology, DriveReach OTR always makes the most of existing cell signal. Even in remote locations where cell signal towers are few and far between, it can reach towers up to 74% farther away than our next most powerful truck booster. The DriveReach OTR also stands out due to its proprietary design. The outside antenna exceeds military and NEMA standards, meaning it's tough enough to withstand even the harshest conditions. The inside antenna is slim enough to stick to the dash or seat while boosting the cell signal in your truck's cab. Meanwhile, the booster itself is small enough to slide under the seat, keeping leg and storage room clear. The DriveReach OTR also comes with everything you need right out of the box. You can easily install it in about 30 minutes. The included 3-way mount makes for fast and easy installation. With a modular mast from 7.5 to 40 inches tall, the antenna can reach for cell signal while avoiding interference from other devices on your truck. Not only does the DriveReach OTR look great and install easy, but it's also backed by our 2-year warranty and 30-day money-back guarantee. We stand behind our American-designed, assembled, and tested boosters every day. Get on the road to better cell service. The most powerful booster is finally in reach. DriveReach OTR by weBoost.
When you drive for a living, your vehicle is your biggest asset. That's why you need the ultimate dashcam protection, even while you're away. Introducing the BlackVue DR750 2-channel IR LTE with built-in cloud compatibility. BlackVue monitors the road ahead and the interior of your vehicle, giving you the evidence you need in case an incident occurs. The interior camera is equipped with an infrared sensor and LEDs, so you'll capture clear videos even in the darkest of lighting conditions. We understand that you're not always with your car. With an optional parking mode accessory, you can power your dashcam even when you're away without draining your vehicle's battery. Connecting your dashcam to the cloud is easy using a mobile hotspot or the built-in SIM slot for LTE connectivity. You'll benefit from BlackVue cloud features such as impact notifications, event auto upload, and remote live view. Keep yourself and your car protected with the BlackVue DR750 2-channel IR LTE.
Convert your vehicle's headrest into a convenient storage space with the AstroAI Car Hook. Organize all your belongings, from clothes, backpacks, and handbags to umbrellas, shopping bags, and much more. The Car Hook easily attaches to headrests in your car, truck, or SUV using silicone rubber to prevent scratches. Clip the hook onto the headrest and push the tab to lock the hook into place. The hooks can turn 360 degrees, keeping things in reach, either in front or behind the seat. Its sturdy design can hold up to 22 pounds, securing your belongings in place. You'll never again have to worry about cargo sliding around on the floor or groceries spilling on the ride home. Whether you need extra space for a great traveling companion or a crucial piece of luggage, the AstroAI Car Hook gives you options to keep you going on all of life's adventures.